If you are a sophisticated Microsoft Excel user who has a need to create and debug complex formulas, then you are aware of several problems with Excel. First, long formulas can be hard to understand. Which would you rather see, this or this? Second, getting parentheses right can be extremely difficult. Although Excel often suggests ways to fix misplaced parentheses, its suggestions are difficult to evaluate and may be wrong. Can you tell if the parentheses in this formula are correct? Third, even after getting the syntax of a formula correct, it may produce the wrong value, and it may be very difficult and time-consuming to understand why. Compare the wrong formula for the present value with the correct one. They are nearly the same. Fourth, in a formula with logical functions, Excel only evaluates those portions of a formula that contribute to its value. Errors elsewhere in the formula may not be evident until changes in other cells cause Excel to evaluate a different portion of the formula. See the unexposed error in this formula. Formula Forge is designed to solve these problems, reducing the errors in Excel formulas and reducing the time to create them. How does this work? Formula Forge contains three powerful capabilities. First, it clarifies formulas by displaying them in three views: a text view, a math view, and a tree view. Highlighting a portion of a formula in one view highlights it in the others. Second, it lets you focus your attention where you want by collapsing portions of the display. And third, it breaks formulas down into their constituent expressions and shows their values. Hidden errors can become immediately evident. Formula Forge is available from Microsoft's AppSource Marketplace. Visit our webpage for more information.